If you are new to local SEO,
I'm the new guy.
Internal linking is the one tactic that you should focus your efforts on. I'm about to show you that by ignoring internal links, you are missing out on a ton of potential traffic. If you want a proven yet often overlooked strategy for 2023, I've got you covered. As a bonus, I'm going to be sharing a tip at the end of the video of what you should do with your blogs to get more traffic there, so make sure you stick around. So where should you begin with all this? Well, the first thing that you need to do is pick which keywords you want to target for your location and industry. Go into Search Console to determine which keywords you should target, and make sure that you incorporate city and state names into your keyword, along with things like near me. Avoid overly generic terms. These often don't convert well and is a waste of your time. You never want to assign the same keywords to multiple pages, so make sure each page has a unique target.
Got her. Target acquired.
Once you determine what keywords you want to target, you want to find other pages on your site that are related to that topic and make sure you link to that page. Ideally, you want 3 to 5 other pages on your site to link to this page that you're optimizing with the keywords that you've picked as your anchor text. Make sure the pages are relevant.
Desire is irrelevant. I am a machine.
For example, if you're a personal injury lawyer and you're optimizing a page about dog bites, you want to make sure you link to that page from other pages like the personal injury page or other articles you have around dog bites. You don't want to link to that page from like a slip and fall page. If you are an HVAC company, make sure all your air conditioning pages link to each other and all your furnace pages link to each other. For the bonus tip, you want to make sure when you are creating the page for all of your blogs that you don't have a blog roll that lists all the recently updated articles first. This is the most common way you see it done on sites and is wrong. Instead, you want to create a static page and specifically link to the pages that drive leads. So if an article drives leads, include it. If it doesn't drive leads and traffic, don't include it. We have found that what this does is it increases ranking and traffic to the pages you keep in, thus driving up conversions for the entire site. We found on one case we did this for that it increased traffic on their blogs 365% compared to the year before. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to get updates on future videos like this. All right, and that's it.